What's going on YouTube? Your boy Black Prince the Barber. I want to take time out, before I go any further, I want to just appreciate the subscribers that's watching my channel. And much love to you from me, But with further ado, I know you guys probably want to know what I do behind the scenes, as far as recording, what type of tools I use, what type of supplies I use, and how I have my setup set up. So with further ado, we're just gonna jump behind the scenes and I'm gonna show you guys. So let's go. All right, guys, I want you to bear with me because I'm recording with one hand. Well, I had a camera in one hand and the mic in the other hand, in my other hand. All right, we're gonna start out with this blow dryer really isn't a good quality blow dryer. It was given to me when I started at the shop and everything. We're gonna start out with the Masters. I haven't used the Masters in a while, so I decided to bring them back to the shop today. So I just want to just get back into the Masters because, I'm so familiar with the, magnetic guard. So yeah, we're going to start out with that. And another thing, you see them Stylecraft Instincts back there. I have the trimmers that go to them, but I really don't use the trimmers as much. The only time I use the trimmers is when I'm doing cleanup work from if I do a ball fade. And the Andes T outliners as well. I use them every now and then, but today is my first day bringing it back to the shop. So yeah, we're just gonna keep that going and everything because I started with Masters. So I don't just want to hang them up just because I upgraded to other clippers. And speaking of other clippers, let's jump into this drawer. This is the only thing I have in my drawer as of right now because I don't need too many clippers, man. If you have too many, your workspace will be congested. Like I said, since I brought the Masters back, I'm gonna start back using them along with the Blendz Pro. But I'm not really just choosy about what I use. I just use them depending on the hair texture that I cut. And yeah, we're just gonna move it along. And this little bad boy right here, this is my enhancer gun, man. I bought this off of Amazon. Big shout out to Amazon. You guys gonna start seeing this type of angle right here, the way my camera's right now. You might see that angle or a little bit more of this angle right here. But I'm gonna try to use that green as my background because that green kind of make the haircut pop out more. You already seen my tools that I use. I really appreciate you guys. And this right here, I had my Canon T5i on it. But the thing with that, my Canon was too far from my client. So if I was to turn the camera around, you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. My client would have been way down there. And I don't have enough zoom lens because I had a Canon 18 through 55 millimeter lens. So the furthest the zoom lens was zoomed from the mirror to my chair, it'll be about right here. This the only angle. And I know you guys be want to see every detail of the haircut, but this the furthest my camera zoom lens could zoom if I was to put it on the mirror. But let's just jump into it. I'm gonna show you how I have it set up right now. So I was telling you about how I had my Canon up here and the zoom was it really was zooming in the way I wanted to. So what I did, I put my Canon on the end of this wall mount with this little ball head right here to attach to my camera. And I just wanted to show you guys how the angle that I'm start recording in, because I could just come in and hook my camera up and just turn my ring light on and just get to working. But other than that, shout out to Blendz, man, because he put me on this right here and I really appreciate that. And he taught me a lot about my camera because I can move the camera, I can angle my camera as I spin my client around in the chair. When I was recording with my iPhone, I had to move my tripod from here, move my tripod from there, just move my tripod around all in my client's way. But right now, I can just use the Canon, and as I move this arm around, and I don't just really just move this arm around, I can adjust the ring light itself because, I can give myself more light while I'm recording. So I can just adjust the ring light this way, or that way, or just do it the regular way. But I just want to show you guys another thing due to me recording, because I love to record all my videos and I just want to show you guys what I actually do, because I'm pretty sure you guys have questions of how we do that. You might be interested in what I'm doing, and hey, I don't mind if you copy my style, bro. I mean, it's whatever, bro. You know what I'm saying? And another thing, while I'm recording my videos, I have my camera upside down, but I'm looking at the, let me turn it on. Hold on. All right, I'm turning my camera on. So when I'm recording, I'm looking at my camera screen. It's showing it's showing, you know, the right, correct way, because my camera is upside down. But I had a flip screen, so I can turn the screen. And if I feel like I don't want to be in the way of the camera while I'm cutting like this on accident, I'll be in front of the camera and I won't be able to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick to that. This is my camera right here. I have it flipped upside down, and as you can see, my reflection, the camera is upside down, but it's showing on the screen that I'm right side up. But I just want to show you guys another little trick to this whole scenario. Now, while I'm recording, I was telling you I don't want to be in the way of my lens while I'm recording. So this is what I do. I have a computer screen over here, so my computer screen is actually my monitor. So if I was just wave my hand in front of the camera, which is right here, I'm gonna put it in front of the monitor and look at the computer at the same time. You can just actually see me. So I just use my computer as a secondary monitor because the screen on my Canon T5i is like really too small. So yeah, so basically that's what I'm telling you. That's my little cheat sheet of how I, you know what I'm saying, do my thing. This is actually my setup, and I just want to let you guys know this is my setup. So whatever you see on YouTube or the next video that you see, just remember the behind the scene of, you know what I'm saying, what I'm trying to tell you guys. But yeah, I shoot with the 18 through 55 millimeter lens. If you guys want to know, if anybody on my channel trying to find out what lens I use, the 18 through 55. But yeah, once again, this is the angle I'm gonna start cutting at. So yeah, with further ado, hey, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in.